What's up, guys? Back here at the local lake. Do some pan fishing, fly rod, all that good stuff. See what happens, see what we can catch. I don't know. We'll see what happens. 4th of July is tomorrow, so it's kind of dead up here. I actually thought there'd be a lot more people up here, but they don't really use this boat dock anymore, so I don't know. They use the other one, but normally there's always kayakers and stuff here. Kind of strange, kind of weird. I'm like, where's everybody at? All right. I'm gonna make some, which I'm gonna take advantage of it because, you know, I kind of like it when I'm by myself up here, so it's all good. Let's catch some fish. There's one. He's a nice one. I think that's a bass. No, it's not a bass. I actually seen him come up and grab it. I figured he'd grab that little bit bigger one. That's a nice pan fish. That's a nice, looks like a red breast sunfish or bluegill. It might be a bluegill. It's a red breast, I think. There we go. Not a bad little fish. Let's let him go. There's something. Bluegill. A decent bluegill. He feels pretty good. I think I snagged him. No, I didn't snag him. There we go. Not bad. He pulled him pretty hard. Jesus. Owie, come on. Hurt. Those bluegill are height. Well, that's not bad. They're definitely sitting in the shade. So I'm about to go to another spot down the road here that holds some nice bluegill and is a lot more shaded. The water's a little cooler too because it's coming off the main river. We're here at the second spot. There's a wave runner. I think it's a wave runner. Wave runner in a boat. We're here at the second spot. We're gonna see if we can catch anything. It's been rough. The first spot did not pan out very well. I caught like, I think 2 fish there, or not even, maybe it's 1, I can't remember. So let's see if we get something here. This spot's normally really good because people don't really fish here that much, I've noticed. And that's pretty much it. I say that and then there's a worm thing. But they don't fish here as much. And I have caught some huge bluegill here near right there where that shade line is. And that big old brush pile, that thing's been there forever. I wade out and cast in. So yeah, let's see if we can do it. Let's see if we can actually catch some decent amount here. All right, guys. We can catch something. There's something. Right when it fell. It's fighting pretty good. The size of bluegill here are normally way better. Way better. He's fighting real good. There we go. See, that's a nice one. He is edible. Bet you thing. It's a pretty one. There we go. Pretty looking thing. I don't know what that is. It's not a bluegill, I don't think. It's like a, yeah, I think it is a bluegill, or like a bluegill sunfish hybrid or something. Nonetheless, it's pretty fun to catch. There's a nice one. Nice bluegill. Ooh, heard a bass. He's nice. He's a good size one. It's taking me a minute to bring him up. What is that? Something straight smashing behind me. Look at this bluegill. That's a nice one. Another big, fat, nice bluegill. It's a very edible size. Very nice. I have that lower. Think about taking it off because nothing is hitting it. But yeah, there we go, guys. I don't want to get hooked by that other hook. Nice bluegill. Think about taking it off. Nothing's hitting it. Everything's hitting the bigger one. I think I will take it off. At this point, it's just getting in my way. Come on, hook a fish. It's all these bluegill are wanting this bigger critter here. I'm wanting the bigger one, so I took it off because it's getting in my way and I want to get hooked. Them little hooks, they don't seem like much, but they hurt really bad. Ooh, I just had something hit me on my foot. Hopefully it will target a little bit bigger panfish too. I don't know how. I had that little bitty hook on there, but there's one. Ooh, he may have got me. Damn it. Deep fried down the bottom. Walking over here, boys. Get my flies back. Into the deep abyss I go. Actually, it's not that deep over here, but it's definitely abysmal. Not very fun. You can't see. I can't see shit. And I'm pretty sure there's a fish on here, I thought. As the light creeps away from it, kind of boogies me. Boogers me, boys. It boogers me. See, I can see that. Want my flies back, man. Ah, something got me. Man down. Man down. Want my flies. Oh, it's definitely creepster. I see the stick. I see it, boys. I see it. I might break off. I don't know if I can handle getting that close. I got it back. Hell yeah. Yeah, let know if I can handle getting any closer. My nerve. I was like, yeah, I don't know about that. I don't know if a $1.50 fly is worth all that creepiness. All the creepiness. I don't know. That was definitely creepy. Here we go. I feel it this time. There we go. Oh shit. Just setting the hook a little too hard there. Golly whopped him. Gooly whopped him. Skipped him straight across the water. Little bluegill, tiny. Take off, buddy. See you later. Alright guys, I guess that's all she wrote. Sorry, the angle's funny, but the thing, it's about to storm like crazy. So, it was sunny when I got here just a minute ago, and it is about to come the hell down. So I'm dipping. I'm getting out of here. I got to go real fast. I'll let y'all go with me. Sorry, ma. Time for me to go. Got to go. It's coming. It's about to storm like crazy. But I appreciate y'all watching my videos. Like and subscribe. I only caught a few fish, didn't get to fish much. I have some other footage from another time I'll add to this video. I'm gonna go. It is getting ready to come down. But yeah, I'll add some other footage to it and all that good stuff. And I appreciate y'all for watching my videos. Like and subscribe and all that good stuff. I'll see y'all later.
Guys, it is coming down. Look at that. Barely see the road. Rain like this, man, every day it rains like this now. Last year it was a drought. Never got any rain. Now this year it's like it just rains all the time. Crazy. Alright guys, thank y'all for watching. Take it easy.